The K2 RCW Rotary Sprinkler is designed specifically for use on reclaimed water systems. Identified by its purple color, the K2 RCW is perfect for watering areas between 20 and 48 feet and can be adjusted wet or dry. In this video, you will learn how to set and adjust the K2 RCW sprinkler. This sprinkler is adjusted from a left start position, meaning it starts from the left and rotates clockwise and then returns. Let's first look at the indicators on the sprinkler head. Distance screw, nozzle arrow, spray pattern arrow, keyhole. And now the parts of the riser. Distance screw, nozzle, turret, riser. There are 3 easy steps to setting the sprinkler. Find left start, set left start, set right stop. Rotate the top of the sprinkler completely to the right until you hear a click. Then rotate the turret completely to the left until you hear another click. Notice the position of the nozzle arrow. It is now at its left start position. Insert the K key into the keyhole, turn it a 1/4 turn, and pull up the riser. Hold the lower part of the riser and turn only the lower half of the riser to the left until the nozzle arrow points to your desired left start position. Slowly and carefully lower the riser. Insert the K key into the spray pattern arrow located in the very center. While holding the top of the nozzle turret with your fingers, turn the slot until the spray pattern arrow points to your desired right stop position. In this example, the right stop is set at the 270-degree position. This sprinkler is set to rotate 270 degrees from your left start position and then return. To increase or decrease the spray distance, insert the K key into the silver distance screw located in the black nozzle arrow and turn it right or left. The K2 RCW sprinkler comes with a pre-installed low-angle nozzle to ensure the correct trajectory of reclaimed water. That's it! You've successfully set the K2 RCW sprinkler. For more information or to learn about other K-Rain products, visit krain.com.